Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we're going to be making Liquid Cocaine 1 and 2 from the Ultimate Bar book. So yeah, I might get demonetized for just saying that, so that'll be fun. And I'm not even monetized yet, so that really fucking sucks. Anyways, yeah. Liquid Cocaine number 2 actually can be built in a shot glass, which is what I'm going to end up doing. And the first one's going to be made in an old-fashioned glass. Should be shaken, but I'm going to mix it up instead. So let's go ahead and get down to making it. What you're going to need for the bare bones of it, what you're going to need is a dark rum, Jägermeister, and it does specifically say Rumpelmans. Rumpelmans is basically a peppermint schnapps. It might be a little different from the Cooper peppermint schnapps. Both are still 100 proof regardless, and that's the base of liquid cocaine. One variation uses Goldenschlager, which is a cinnamon liqueur, and the other one uses a root beer schnapps. So, yeah, the root beer schnapps one is going to go in here, and the Goldenschlager one is going to go in here. So, everything is equal parts, about a half an ounce each, or 15 milliliters. So I'm going to just kind of fly through this real quickly, and we'll have the shots ready and I'll try them out. And there we have our liquid cocaine. Now you might have noticed my very inexperience of trying to do two things at once. It's kind of like patting your head and rubbing your tummy when you were little. Yeah, I still can't do that. Here's our liquid cocaine one with the Goldenschlager, and this is the one with the root beer schnapps. We're going to try out the one that can be shoot first, so we're going to do this one first. I have very questionable questions because cinnamon schnapps and I don't really work together, but here we go. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, if you're a real big fan of peppermint and cinnamon schnapps being together, this is your go-to shot. I'm gonna be 100% honest. This is the go-to shot. All right, the one with the root beer. Let's go ahead and try that one. Now, it did say to put ice in this. Ooh. Oh. It's not horrid, but it's not my favorite. You have the root beer and peppermint fighting between each other, which one takes priority in the mouth. And Jaeger and dark rum, completely non-existent. Liquid cocaine 1 is a little questionable. Now, it's probably supposed to be taken as a shot, but it literally says add ice to this. Strain into an ice-filled old-fashioned glass. So taking a shot of this is not possible. It's mostly a sipper, I guess. And even just a sip of it. Root beer and peppermint? I mean, it kind of works, but it's just not my... No. I can't see it. I really can't fucking see it. Maybe there's a different type of root beer schnapps they might have used at some point, but this is So if you're a big fan of peppermint, one of these two will work just fine. Same with cinnamon and root beer. And I love root beer, but this is not the one that I would choose. It's the peppermint slowly winning over the root beer. Yeah, not my favorite thing in the world. But I will do you guys a courtesy of finishing this, so. Just because. And it still doesn't taste any better because it still tastes like peppermint. There's just like a hint of root beer. And it's like, yeah, no, I don't know about that one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.